MMT David, Lee, MMT Chino, MMTs, MMT Bill, after hours. This is what the knee jerk is for you 4 new MMTs. You 4 new MMTs, this was an easier 369 movement down. This was where the spikes were, and this is how it does it in after hours. They came out with the preliminary number of 39 cents, and that was in line, and it caused a lot of spike. Stock had already ran up 3.31. Well, what they did was they just dropped that there. When you watched it drop right there at that 113.50 down to 109.50 again. So he dropped it $4 in after hours. You make that move there. You make that move there. That's $7. You make one of these, a couple of these over here. You can really rack up that cash register when, and as you learn this, like the other older MMTs, shorting it down, buying it, popping it. But look at, you got to know how to work the execution MMTs, you new ones. And this is a wonderful MMT video for you. And you can remember this, and you have your paper trading. You better be paper trading that, and you better have shorted that in your paper trading. Then you could have went long and hit the sell and start feverishly buying and selling with the 3-minute tick chart. Nice move down, nice move up, all the way around. After hours earnings, everybody thinks they know how to trade them. No, they don't, because MMTs are getting a better price. That's a closing price. We were buying down here the first time. Down here, 108.90. 40 pennies off the low on that spike and selling it. Look at him go. Look at him go. He's trying to go with it again. What I see in that print is people keep selling into it. That's why it goes down. That's the premium right here, $11.45. That number here to the closing price is still $1 lower. Then he sold 11.17 below the market. See, 45. He sold it over on this side. And then they bought it 40 pennies. So between the bid and the ask after hours, that's what the emotion of those earnings have created for people to make that transaction. And to do that transaction. And that is live transaction for you new MMTs. And MMTs, this goes on during the earning season only. MMTs. And this is how it's done. And we've been doing it for a number of, ever since they've had it, from day one, since we've been around, and that's a long time, when they have this after hours where you can engage after the market close. That's the market close, MMTs. This is the action right now related to earnings only. And you MMTs have been given a gift. And you will play this video over and over and over and watch it over and over and over, MMTs, so that you can relive the moment of the knee jerk in these charts. And you can see the big spike up and the big spike down and the spike up and the sell wicks and the movement in after hours. And that is the public, the general public, responding to those earnings reports. New MMTs, so you can see them. You can see their retail reaction to it, MMTs.